Welcome to LUX, a game of light. The game starts with the user selecting the boundaries of the game by choosing horizontal layout planes. Once the planes are set, the game begins. The player is flying in the maze using his Stormlight Reserve. The player can jump by hitting the spacebar or lash the gravity in the reverse direction using a mouse click. Jump does not burn additional Stormlight but can only be performed near the planes. The overall Stormlight Reserve shows at the bottom left of the screen along with the player's score. The player uses the Stormlight to fly and lash himself to the roof by changing gravity around him. Lashing, unfortunately, consumes Stormlight more rapidly, making the game even more challenging. The objective of the game is to get as far as possible from the starting point using Stormlight. As the game progresses, the player moves faster and faster, thus increasing the difficulty of the game. The lights are placed using randomization so that each maze is truly unique. The game objects are recycled back into the game once they move out of the camera side to make the maze generation efficient in terms of CPU and memory. The game ends when the Stormlight extinguishes. We see the final score, the option to retry, and the option to quit in the game over screen. Looking a bit into the code, the player movement script manages the jumping and lashing of the player, where the start function initializes the best feeling values for the physics constants. The user inputs are registered through the update loop and finally applied in the physics loop through the fix update function. Penalizing the player is also managed here. We constantly drain the Stormlight Reserve in the health management script and detect collisions with light objects to manipulate the overall Stormlight Reserve. Finally, for the maze generation, we handle recycling of light objects and translating our two-part maze in the game map generator script. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and play LUX.